I'm going to show you how to view results and responses on Google Forms. So take for you already have your Google Forms created and you want to see the numbers of people that have responded to it. So you just have to just open the Google Form itself on your Google Form homepage. And you can see these three tabs over. You can see questions, responses, and settings. So just click on responses, and right here you can see the number of people. So take for example, if the Google Form link has been sent to different platforms, different people, you can see the total number of responses. And after that, you can also check them on Google Sheet. You just click on link to sheet, then create a new sheet, create. So whenever you click on that, it just takes you to your Google Sheet and then you can see all the names. Take for example, if someone's name, their age and qualifications and stuff like that. So that's how to check on the responses or the results on your Google form. Thank you very much.